Everybody, good afternoon. Neil here with end of week wrap up free video. This goes out to the Voodoo and Strike Zone masteries. So looking at a S&P chart here, this is daily, and just want to point something out. Today is the end of the second week of December. Next week is probably a big week. Next week is the FOMC announcement and options expiration, and so, I'd anticipate a little bit more about next week in terms of like range, volatility, etc., than what we got this week. But here's just is what it is. Fact: December started out at 60151 and a half, or just I've been calling it 52, so 60.52, and here we go out at end of week for the second week, and we're right there. You can see it on top right there, 60.52. So pretty much nothing so far. Now, so far for December, it's made a low of 60.36 and a high of 61.11. Started at 60.52, and that's where it ends the second week, right there at 60.52 in the ES. And I want to go take a different view here for you real quick and just look at the volume on the week. You can see that the overall for the week, for the entire week, the most traded price in terms of volume was 6065, and I think that we use that for next week as our guiding, light leaning post, i.e., lean long above, short below, that kind of thing. Don't know which way it's going, of course, but personally, honestly, I'm looking for a little bit more pullback in terms of retracement. Fact is this, and that is from the November low to the all-time high of, I don't know, what was it, Friday of last week, I guess. This retracement that's come in at the low here for this week was a 236 retrace at most. That's all it is. And I guess in an extremely bullish circumstance, that's sufficient. However, personally just looking for the next level, and that'd be a little deeper next week. I think in terms of SPX, it's like 6005. I'm going to touch more on it in the premium video. For now, let's let that be that. Use 60-65 over under next week. Know that the volatility is really kind of focused on and for the latter half of the week next week, given the fact that you got the FOMC and options expiration. With that, leave it with you. Good weekend, good trading. See you next week.